$el dot text index. Now what I have done, instead of comparing this with index, I put here string and I put here index value. Okay, even though I'm also using el here and also index I'm using here. So what is the result I'll get now? If this get failed or passed? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so in that case, it will get passed or fail. Maybe pass, maybe, or sure you will say yeah, it's pass or it's fail. Because we are using two functions. Okay. So can you see here what happened? EQ again, EQ. This one is not getting EQ index. So in this case, what we'll do now? We'll remove this EQ now. Okay. Now if we click like this, so it's working fine for me because we are not dealing with index right now. We're dealing with EL element. Okay. So in case of index, then you have to put the index value 6, 5, see whatever you want. Now see the aggregate, click here. Can you see? Yeah, and all the locators like the index is getting displayed here till 204. Okay. So this one is done. Yesterday we have showcased you how to find out locator like any how to enter any airport name by using this string value. So suppose if you want to use index, so what you do for index, remove this one. Okay, take one variable a, put index value in that, compare a with your values, whatever else. Like I want to check it out. What is there in index number? Like I am having total how many index number? 204. So what is there in 204? I want to check it out like this. Which airport name is there in index 204? Okay, keep as it is. Now run it. So inside A, you have all the indexes. You're comparing it to 204 and you're clicking that value. So check it out now. Now see here, I'm getting error here. Why this error? For 0 index, it's working fine. For 6 index, it's working fine. What about last index? Again, the same. Is there any mistake we have done? Is it fine? Okay, you want to say I have to close this one? Once again, can you see this Aberdeen get printed here? Okay, can you see this one? But if you see here, 0 is for Aberdeen, correct? But for 204, if I put a 204, like the last index is what, 206, correct? If I use 206, I'm not getting the result. Why? Yes, Gopi. Start from 0. Oh, okay, okay. Start from 0. That is the reason, correct? Okay, okay, okay. Got it. No, I write on 205. Yes. the test get passed, but the value is not printed here. Can you see? What is the reason? Hmm? Okay, 205. Okay, so you want to say I put 203, correct? Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's zero. Start with zero. 204, correct? Okay. Yeah. Can you see Zurich? Yeah, you got the result now. Correct. So you just check it out the index value, and as per the index value, you can put your line. So it is clear, or you like guys see feel that it's a little bit confusing, or what? You have any doubt regarding the index? Yeah. See, Femina, you have to use this one because how do you click that one? Index value. But in this case, there is no need to convert into text. When you are using index now, there is no need to convert that EL into text and printing out. You just use that EL. And second thing, why we are using EL? Because we have to click. No, we cannot use here CY.of index and click. It will not work. Now let me take one example here. So instead of this wrap, I'll put here index. Now see what result I'm getting. Can you see? We cannot use directly. Directly index. It requires DOM element. So that is the reason what we do. We use here EL. So now list is remaining. So in the tomorrow's session we'll cover list also. Okay. So now in this lecture we have seen using index value, and we compare the index value and printing out. So the question comes here, when to use index value. Like for example, if I want to search it out, what is which airport name is there, or which string is there on index XYZ. So I just put index value and find out the value. Got it? Yeah. So any doubt? Now do one thing, guys. Here suppose we have written like this. No. So what I'll do? This last method I'll try at your end to get an understanding more better. So what I'll do here now, dot eq, I put here index now. This method we have done, correct? Yes. Again we are using EL, $EL, and also we are using index and clicking that one. So it fail or pass. Again I'm asking you, like, let's check it out. Can you see this? Now what I'll do, one more thing, I'll just commit it and now see, check it out. See the result now. It get filled now. Okay. So Femina and Gopi, do one thing. Do the same thing as an assignment. Okay. And try to automate a different dynamic drop down so that I can see tomorrow. Okay then. Yeah. So tomorrow we'll see a list, how to use list in the each tutor. So that's also you can try at your end. So you will get more question, to ask. Yeah. Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow then. Yeah. Bye. Take care. Thank you.